Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about bandpass random process. If the PSD of random process is confined to certain passband, the figure like that, the process is a bandpass random process. Bandpass random process can be used effectively to model modulated communication signals and bandpass noise. So just as a bandpass signal can be represented in terms of components, we can express the bandpass random process like x of t equal xct cos omega ct plus xst sin omega ct. Okay, so in this representation xct is known as the in phase component, okay, and xst, that is the xst is known as the coordinator component. Okay, so bandpass random process, so in this can be proven by considering the system as h0f like transfer function and an identical low pass filter with the unit impulse response h0t. First we show the system in this figure, and next is the identical bandpass filter with the transfer function h of f. Okay, so signal at the system of like a1 equal cos omega c alpha plus theta del t minus alpha. Clear? And for a2 is sin omega c alpha plus theta del t minus alpha, and next one is b1 is cos omega c alpha plus theta and h0 t minus alpha. So something like b2 sin omega c alpha plus theta and h0 t minus alpha, and in that case thus the system response of the input like del t minus alpha and 2h0 t minus alpha. Clearly this means that the underlying system is linear time invariant. Okay, so with the impulse response the function will be h of t equal to h0 t cos omega c t, and the transfer function h of f equal h0 f plus fc plus h0 f minus fc. That's are the bandpass random process. So thank you everyone, and see you in next tutorial.